don't ask why I'm looking that way, because I'm like trying to make sure I'm in frame. I thought I'd come on here and do a chit chat, get ready with me. I know I'm like halfway ready, but honestly, I'm gonna be real with y'all, my camera was charging, and I was like, Alana, judging from your past videos, girl, you like to run your mouth. So I was like, let me cut some of my process in like the time of this video in half so I can keep your attention span, because I know my attention span's not all the way there sometimes. So I'm trying to just help y'all. We are helping one another at this point. So yeah, I already applied my foundation, so I'll go ahead and show you guys what foundation I used and the powder as well. So the foundation I used is Dermablend. Hopefully you guys can see this. I'm in the shades Cafe Brown, so that's Chroma 514, and Golden Brown, Chroma 5.5.
Just a tad bit.
As you guys can see, it looks really natural. It looks really nice. Hopefully it's picking up as nice as it does look in person on camera. I can't really tell you because I don't have like that flip out camera right now at this time, but you know, gotta work with what you have. Also, I set my face with this Dermablend setting powder. It's the loose powder in the shade Original. I tried to do the dark shades because I know they do try to cater to like African American women, and I tried the dark powders, and honestly, they were too dark for me. Actually, they were too dark. One I think made me look ashy, and one was too dark. And I'm like, it's warm saffron. How is it dark? Like, too dark. You would think it would work, but no. So I don't know what to talk about on these Chit Chat Get Ready With Me's, but I'm actually going to do my eyebrows with you guys on camera. And you know, I must really love my subscribers. I'm going to do my eyebrows on camera. I'm like, Alana, you have eyebrow tutorials. What was I talking about? No, I was not. Something about me is I don't like talking when I do my eyebrows. It is like a surgery. Literally, I'm like conducting eyebrow surgery right now as we speak. Like, it is like so important to me, like to do my eyebrows. Like, I just cannot talk while I do them, but I'm going to attempt to talk to y'all and chit chat with y'all and kind of like, you know, just talk. So I'm going in, you know what, I'll even make it like a real tutorial. I'm going in with my well over seasoned Shani Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to take that dark brown color. Ooh, my palette needs saving. That color right there, if you guys can see it, I'm going to be taking that color right there and filling in my eyebrows. I just do like a dark brown on my brows because my eyebrows are dark brown. Interesting. So I'm going to just go ahead and go in with that. And yes, I have Chris Brown on my shirt. I mean, I guess you could say I'm a fan, but like, I was kind of upset because the shirt I was looking for, I have a filming shirt, and I could not find that shirt to save my life. If my life depended on it, I could not find that shirt. I was like, what is really going on? So I am doing my eyebrows as we speak, and I thought I'd just talk to y'all while I get ready. Yeah. I'm going to do a natural brow today. I'm not going to do them too dramatic because it's not necessary. So I'm just going to do a natural eyebrow. And yeah. I don't know what to talk about. If you guys don't know already, I graduated college, but I'm actually going to film a separate video about it. I kind of want to do something different dedicated to college. I kind of want to just come on here and just talk freely, talk about like just random things, honestly, because if I talk about college right now, this video is probably gonna be too long, and you guys are gonna be like, is she serious? Like, you know, so I'm gonna probably just do a separate video about like college and life after college and all that kind of stuff, and kind of just talk about it separately. Interesting. I guess my eyebrows look okay. So I'm probably going to do a separate video of it. But I guess I can talk about like random things and like what I've been doing besides being out of college, and I'm gonna talk about myself. So I know I have not been on like YouTube in like 2 months. The last video I did was of my birthday, and honestly my birthday's in April, and if you look at the date, I posted that video in June. So yeah, about that. So I just have not been in the YouTube. I can't say I haven't been in the YouTube mood. I can't say that because I still vlogged while I was in school. I did Vlogmas, and I was actually still in college when I did Vlogmas and all that. So I can't say I wasn't in the YouTube mood. I have really no reason not to do YouTube because I'm not in a relationship. I don't have like issues going on and stuff. So I think honestly I was just making excuses of why I couldn't do it, and like, oh, I was like telling my mom, I'm like, I can't do, like, I just can't. And she's like, you can do it. Like, my mom's one of those moms, like, she will, like, encourage me to do stuff, even when I feel like I just don't feel obligated to do it. And, like, I was feeling like, I'm going to take this Morphe brush, Morphe M504. This brush right here, I got this from Ulta, and I'm not going to put eyeshadow on my lids. I just literally brush it just to blend out these creases on my lids because I have oily skin, and, like, sometimes my skin gets like really oily up there. I mean, I think it has a little eyeshadow on it because it seems like my eyes are getting like some makeup on it, whatever. But I was like telling my mom, oh my gosh, I feel like I just can't do YouTube, and then all of a sudden I get this time, and I'm like, girl, the time is now. Like, Jesus got you a job to where you have time, because you always used to feel like you didn't have enough time to do it. Knowing I got studio lights, it's like, you know, God blessed someone in my life to bless me with these studio lights. And I'm like, girl, you have so much time. Like, yeah, sometimes I don't get up early in the morning. I'm gonna be real. Sometimes I like to sleep in a little bit, that I've been out of college. Like, great. And, like, I just be making excuses sometimes. Like, you have no reason why you can't film a video. You have the equipment if you want to film something at night. You're not in that same predicament. Like, when I first started my channel, I didn't have none of this stuff. Like, I literally did not have the space to really film and stuff. And, like, now that I have it, I have no excuse. And, like, I have time to put out videos. I have time to film. Now that I'm not in college, I mean, yes, I do work, but true enough, when you don't have work and school and, like, going on, at least for me, I feel like I can have more downtime, because I feel like when I was working and going to school, I feel like if I wasn't at work, I was at school, and if I wasn't at school, I was at work, and if I wasn't doing neither one of those, I was doing homework, because sometimes if I had work, sometimes I would put off a certain assignment because I had to go to work by a certain time, and sometimes if I had school, vice versa. It's like I would put off like some assignments. Luckily those assignments weren't due right away, but still, like, when you kind of do that, then another assignment comes up, and it's like it builds up and stuff, and I'm like, girl, you have no excuses. And then I look at all these successful YouTubers who had similar paths as I've had, and look at where they're at. I'm like, girl, you have potential. I have to speak affirmations on my life, honestly, and not let no one, like, bring me down and stuff. And, yeah. But yeah, I'm just kind of, like, I don't know what direction I want to go on my channel. I feel like I kind of want to keep it the same, like, do beauty-related stuff. I hope the mirror is, literally, y'all, this is how close the mirror be to my face when I am doing my makeup, like, without the camera in my face. Like, I literally just be like this. Like, literally, like, I can see, like, my vision's perfect, but I told you, this is surgery, y'all. This is, like, eyebrow surgery, like, to the max. Like, to the max. I'm going to take my Morphe 510 brush, and I actually blend my concealer like this with the brush, because I just like the way it looks, honestly. I honestly like the way it looks. today I'm not going to conceal the top of my brows. I usually do, but honestly I don't feel like it today. Just not today. Not today. But yeah. And watch I still do it. Even though I said I'm not going to do it. Yeah, I think I'm just going to go ahead and do it. Because I have anxiety. Like, back to the direction of my channel. I feel like that's a good conversation starter. Since I don't want to too much talk about my college life, because I feel like this video is going to be 40 minutes long if I start talking about my college life. You're like, oh gosh, we don't even want to watch the video anymore. Hey, but, you know, somebody might want to watch 40 minutes of me talking, but I feel like it's going to be too long if I start talking about college, because I'm going to start ranting, venting, talking about how life just, how I almost quit college, how I just gave up almost, and it's just going to be doing too much. But the direction of my channel, I feel like I want to kind of keep it the same. I suck at vlogging. So I think I'm going to still vlog, but I think I'm probably going to maybe bring back more of my, ooh, okay. Yes, okay. I think I'm going to bring back more of my beauty videos, because that's honestly what my channel started off as a beauty channel, because a girl loves makeup, and I think I kind of want to, I'm not going to stop vlogging, obviously, because I love Vlogmas. It's like my favorite thing to do. I like literally vlogging every day up leading to that moment, and I like vlogging certain moments in my life, so I'm not going to stop the vlogs, but I think I'm going to probably just kind of do what my channel was about, and then kind of incorporate like some more interesting things, maybe do trendy YouTube videos, probably videos that are actually trending on YouTube. Yeah, probably do that. How to get back to myself. Like I said, I'm not going to stop the vlogging, because I do enjoy vlogging. I probably will just maybe vlog when I'm doing stuff, maybe, and try to do it that way so it won't seem like it's vlog after vlog. I'm going to go back in with that Morphe brush like I did earlier and like blend up my concealer. That's just like the way I like to do it. And yeah. And honestly, this makeup that I'm doing is literally the makeup I do every day. Literally every day. I feel like my eyebrows are not even, but that's just my paranoia, you know, me being paranoid with my eyebrows, because this is, like I said, I'm operating on my face right now. And you guys probably don't think I'm crazy for saying this, but this is like literally surgery, y'all. Like literally. Only girls who love perfect brows would understand. And yeah, okay, so now I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in Carbon Black. And you see these lids, they're getting oily again. Okay. And then I'm going to go in with this Maybelline. You're Maybelline, right? Wow, how do I not know what the lipstick is? I feel like this is Maybelline. Yeah, Color Sensational. I'm so dumb. It's called Nude Embrace in the color 650. I got this from Ulta. Wait, you might have known I got this lipstick. If you watch my Ulta haul, I believe I hauled this in there. If I'm not mistaken, half these products I'm using were in my Ulta haul, if you watch that video. So, you do know I used the products, and I didn't just, you know, just act like I do. Okay, and then I'm going to take my hair down, because usually I'll take my hair down. Cute. Okay, and then I'm going to put this Colourpop Super Shock Cheek, and I'm going to highlight a little bit. Lies, I'm telling. I'm actually not going to take that first. Lies, because I don't even do that first. I'm going to take this LA Colors eyeshadow. It's called Sunflower. You guys don't know, fun fact, that's actually my favorite flower. And I'm going to take this color right here in the middle, And I'll put that on my cheeks. I love the way this looks on my skin. Makeup has no rules, y'all. Y'all can put whatever you want on your face. This is honestly, I don't like the way blush looks on my skin, so to me this is like my version of like blush for me. And I like the way it looks, honestly. But yeah, that's my finished look. Hopefully you like this chit chat, get ready with me, and hopefully if you want to see more videos like this, obviously give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video, so be out on the lookout. I'm going to try to my best to get on a schedule and try to get these videos out, so stay tuned. And I love you guys.